All right, back for another video, January 31st. Looking at a lot of these stocks. Let's start with BTBT. Bit Digital, 36 million float, 938 market cap. Looking for news. There's a lot of class action lawsuits, all kinds of when this stock moved, I guess, and dropped. I'm not even reading through it. It's pretty crazy. Engages in Bitcoin mining business, changed its name, formerly Golden Bull Limited. So BT. Yeah, this started out 2019, made a nice run, fell all the way back for years, started to explode in April. Excuse me. Then went to 4, to 2, before this thing bounced. See how this is going. Very nice uptrend, very steady. It then exploded. This is where it happened. 12, 28, went to 7, all the way to 30. Big move. Look at these candles. Then we pull back. So we pull back on lower volume. It's always a good sign. Down the 16 line. So, to me, the 16 line looks pretty big now. See the 16 we touched, gap down. And then Friday just made a big move up to test that 30 again. So, this really made a strong move pre-market and just fade it down real hard. So this is very volatile stock. Yeah, be extremely careful with this. Next week, what's it going to do? It's hard to say on this. It's really volatile. We could come back and it could fade a little bit and test 16. 16 is good support. So if you have 16, if that doesn't work, then it's going much lower. We can hold here back and forth, and we're probably in this range here, 16 to 30, and it's tried to fill. Well, it did fill the gap, but it came back. It's got to reclaim. You want this to get little smaller moves here, not just such big moves up and drop. So this is in the Bitcoin space, so it's very volatile. We still have a chance to break 29.30. But at this point, you just don't know with that candle. That candle is a very strange candle. From here, this was good. See this back and forth? We're coming up, nice green candle. This put in such a large move that, we'll see if this keeps going. It is oversold though down here. So that's a good sign on stochastic. So, it does have a good chance to go up. We'll see how they play it next week. GNW, Genworth Financial, big float, 500 million, 1.46 billion market cap. Insurance products, United States, internationally, mortgage insurance, all kinds of deals with mortgages. So, here's the big move on this. This is touch many highs, come lower, come lower. It's bottomed in July, August, made a big move up from 2 all the way to 475. This doesn't run super fast, you see here. Then this dropped. This dropped like a rock right to the 275 level. Just tried to get into the gap, but didn't work. See these wicks? 325. It's coming back now. Very oversold. If you're looking for, try to get these trend lines. Bring this back here. So you have a trend line now from the low. Trying to get to the lowest points here. Pretty much connects. See here, you have one August and now January. So this could fall still 275 ish. Maybe 270. We'll see if this gets to here and then a bounce. I've seen this before. You've seen this trend line. Trend lines are very important. People are all looking at the same thing. So if this holds here from this further line from July, you could bounce right here. So look for that range, 260, 270-ish, and then we can come up again. Longer term, I still think we get in here. So we might have to just come back here. This might take long. This might be a longer swing if you're using it. Get to here and they get above 3 to 325 level on GNW. But right now it's still down. So unless you get a real big pop, there's nothing doing. REI. Excuse me. REI Energy, oil and gas, 54 million float, 94 million market cap. Ring Energy announces relocation of its headquarters from Midland, Texas to Woodlands, Texas. They do exploration, production, flyers for explores, develops, produces oil, natural gas. So let's take a look at this one. Yeah, just had the big move down here from 2019. See this trend line? You touched, you touched, you touched. Down here, you made a line. Yeah, this had big bounces along the way. See this? In August, this rode all the way up to 3 plus, came all the way down now to 50-cent line. So 50 cents. Look at this move from April, May, June. Big ride up too. And then what this did was form, head, shoulder, shoulder, and then went down and back to the 50-cent line. See this right here? So November, you're at 50. There's your 50 cent right there. Came up 80 cents. And this is what you want too. See this where I said it went up? And this pullback was fine. But see the low was higher here. So that's always good. 60, 65 cents. Made another run all the way up. Pull back again to your 1320 EMA. Solid pullback to the one level. And then this tried to break 125 and right is where we're at right now. So this is touched many times. It did break in June. July, August, it tried. It's trying here. And then pull back though. So we're at 115. We got to get over 125 and get to the next level, which is going to be, 150, 175 too. But if we get up to here and that becomes support, I think we can get to two. Pretty solidly we can get to two. But we have to get over this. If this pulls back again, the one, then we're just in a chop back and forth. But one has to hold. I don't want this to go real low here. Go back to 80. I mean, it could do this. See, because look at this here, low, low, low could even come back here as long as you stay above your previous low. So draw your line. Yeah, this could fall back to around 80. So that's what I mean. All these moves have been made now from here to here. They're all making big runs now. Are they stalling? Are they pulling back? Are they going to bounce? A lot of indecision right now. The market's going down. Next week, is it going to continue? We're going to get like dead cat bounces. We're not exactly sure at this time. All right, so that's it. Mike Heyman Trades. Please subscribe, like the channel, hit the smash and hit the button. Trade ideas, referral. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. That is it. Peace.